Hello everyone, Mr. Hissner here. Today we're going to continue on with surface area now. This one is going to be pyramids and cones. That's right, pyramids and cones. And we're going to be doing the exact same thing. What we're going to be doing is calculating the surface area, and it's equal to the lateral area plus the area of the base. Now last time we looked at sometimes there's two bases, which is not a bad thing, but for this one it's only going to be one base for today. So lateral area times the area of the base, and that will give us our surface area. So let us start on pyramids. Pyramids have a lateral area of 1/2 times L, which is the slant height. It's from the base of the figure, to the vertex, where all the pieces meet at the top to the vertex. That's our slant height. And then P is still the perimeter of the base. So we just take all these little base figures, these base values, add them up, and then call it a day. So let us look at this. Surface area is lateral area plus the area of the base. This only has one base, so it's just going to be one base. 1 times B is just B. Okay, so we have the 1/2 of the slant height times the perimeter plus the area of the base here. Hey, look, this one is a square, right? They're both 8. So it's just going to be 8 times 8. I'm just going to do the side squared. I think that's actually from our thing. So 1/2, the slant height here, the slant height is 11.7. The perimeter is 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 times 4, this is 32. Plus the side squared, because it's a square, and that's how we find the stuff of the square. So this is 8 times 8. So this is plus 64. What is this? 187.2. Add these two things together and we get 251.2, and these are meters squared. So again, what do we want to do? We want to find the slant height and do this. Let's see if we can find something that's not a... Yeah, let's do this one. Okay, number 4. So this is, again, our surface area is the lateral area plus, this is just going to be one base. Okay, so number 4, what do we got? We have, how about the area of our base? Slant height. Okay, so let's see. This is 1/2 of the slant height, which is in yellow here, 6.7, times the perimeter of our base. This looks like it's 30, right? Because it's going to be 10 plus 10 plus 10. Plus the area of the base. Well, the base is a triangle, so this is going to be 1/2 base times the height. But this is the height of the triangle, right? Whenever I'm thinking of the area of the base, I have to consider only the base. And so this is 1/2 of the, this is 1/2 times 10 times 8.7. Okay, so 1/2 times, that's 15. 15 times 6.7. I got 100.5 plus 43.5. This is 144 inches squared. So again, sometimes you'll have different bases. This one was a triangle. The height of the triangle is not the slant height. They're different. And so hopefully we can see that. Let's move along to look at cones. And again, cones, we have the same thing. It is the lateral area. Surface area is the lateral area plus the base, the area of the base. There's only one here. So let's see, our lateral area is pi RL. So it's the radius times the slant height. So this is pi times the radius times the slant plus the area of the base, which is pi r squared. Okay, the radius of this one is 7, so I'm going to put the pi in the back. 7, the slant height is 11.4 times pi plus 7 times 7 is 49 pi. Put the pi's in the back. All right? And then we want to put this into our calculator. We don't want to round twice. Don't put this in, give me a decimal. Don't put that in, give me a decimal, and then add them together. Don't do that. Don't do that. It's going to mess your answer up. We want the most approximate answer that we can get, the most exact answer we can get. That means we round once. Once. One time. Okay. So I actually can put this in the calculator just like this, I believe. Now, I'll just do one. I'll just do 7 times 11.4. I think that's what I do. 7 times 11.4. So this is 79.8 pi plus 49 pi. And I'm going to put this into the calculator. 79.8 pi plus 49 pi, enter, round this number, not this number. All right, 3673, 404.64. And these are what, meters squared. So again, we don't want to round this number and this number. We want this whole thing to go into the calculator. We want to press enter. Then we want to round that number. All right, guys, thanks for watching.